Meanwhile, there's been a massive fire in a computer showroom in Chandigarh Sector 17. The three-storied building collapsed following the fire. The fire brigade was on the spot. However, there have been no casualties.
इसमें जो है हमारी तरफ से आग जितनी भी हुई है, इसमें सभी का हमें सहयोग पूरा मिला है। कम से कम 20-25 फायर जो आपकी व्हीकल्स हैं वो लगातार काम पे लगी हुई हैं। पर ये जो है 9:30 के आसपास जो है ये बिल्डिंग जो है कोलैप्स कर गई बिकॉज ऑफ हाई टेम्परेचर। उसमें जो दुर्भाग्य की चीज ये है कि हमारे 2-3 फायर फाइटर जो हैं उसके अंदर दबे हैं, जिसके लिए इस समय हमारा दोनों साइड में टारगेट है कि एक तो नंबर 1 की कोई इसको दूसरी किसी बिल्डिंग को नुकसान ना पहुंचे या कम से कम पहुंचे, और जो ह्यूमन लाइफ है दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। हम बिल्कुल आखिर तक कोशिश करेंगे कि अगर कोई भी आदमी जरा सा भी सांस है तो उसको हम बाहर निकाल के बचा सकें।
Anand Patel joining us at this point for more. Anand, what is the latest that you're hearing on that fire?
Well, the fire has been under control for over an hour now. But what I can say is, the building, it collapsed like anything. It was a 3-story building of the Regional Computer Center. And fortunately, it was a holiday today being a Sunday. So there was nobody present inside. But we're told that the fire must have been caused because of the short circuit there. It was an old building and it collapsed around 9:30. And the fire was raging on since around 4 o'clock in the evening, but nobody thought that it would be too big to get the building down. So you can see the fire there, but most of it is under control now, and it has also been controlled from spreading to the nearby buildings. Sector 17 is one of the most busiest marketplaces in Chandigarh, and today being a holiday, so it was closed and there was nobody present there. So fortunately, no casualties as far as the employees there are concerned. But as you just heard the municipal commissioner saying that 3 firemen have been trapped inside the debris, and they're trying to extricate them. So we can just hope that the firemen are alive and they are extricated in time. Efforts are all on. Fire engines, around a dozen of them have been put into service, and also you can see the JCBs trying to clear the debris and trying to extricate the 3 firemen who are trapped inside. And nobody expected the building to collapse, in such a way. The fire was there and it was brought under control. But as the fire officers were present on the spot, they were saying that, since the temperature was so high and the building was old, that brought the building down. And an unfortunate incident in Chandigarh, and we just hope that 3 firemen who are trapped inside come out safely.